Well, I'm kind of the head of this household. I definitely run the home. Every room we pretty much go in here has had some sort of personal touch to it. I love photos. I like putting paintings up. Everything has some sort of sentimental meaning somewhere. To me, it's more about the meaning of it as opposed to how it looks. I enjoy being the mum figure. I enjoy going to work and being able to still come home and function. I feel kind of empowered to a certain degree. I like the role that I play. I like the fact that I can multitask, I can do all these different things. I do like to sometimes take that time out, and it can be either going to the gym to just have that time out to focus on me, or going and relaxing in the park, or there's a bench that I like to go and sit on and just sort of, it's got amazing views over London, and just sort of contemplate everything that's going on and just have that 2 moments to myself with no distraction or no feeling the need to get up and do. When I had my first home, didn't understand the meaning of home, didn't have any appreciation for what having a home actually was. And now I've got everything that I want in a home. Like, I have the security and the comfort and the love and everything that kind of comes with having a home. It kind of ticks all the boxes for me. So now I can say I'm at home.